Okay, so you want to change a globe on a 2015 Toyota Hiace on one of your headlights. It's not that difficult really. All you need is a screwdriver and a 10mm spanner, and away you go. So first up, open your bonnet. Whichever side you're going to change the globe on, open your door. That gives you a bit more working space. So you just remove your little clips. Which come off really easily, as you can see. Yeah, right. And there are 4 of those across there that you take out. Two bolts up here. And you take those out. A socket would be better for this job, but I just haven't got one in the skyrocket at the moment. And that baby should unclip. There are clips down the bottom, so it might be a bit tight, but it will pull out. Then we have one more screw to undo here. There's a locator here and there's a locator pin in the back there. With that, you just pull that out, tilt forward, and away you go. Now what scared us first up is that this wouldn't come out. And what it was a bit of corrosion on the locating pin. So if it doesn't want to go, you need to just try and lubricate that pin and give it a good hard tug. That's it. Put it back together the same way that you took it apart.